Morning at the breakfast table.
Good morning, son. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Dad. Yeah, I slept great. What about you?
I slept fine too. So, what's the plan for today?
I have school, of course, but after that, I might hang out with my friends or play some games.
Sounds good, but don't forget to finish your homework first.
I know. I'll do it before I go out.
That's my boy. And don't forget to eat your lunch. You always get too busy playing.
I won't forget this time. I promise.
All right. Have a great day at school and be kind to everyone.
Thanks, Dad. You have a great day at work too.
Evening at home, after dinner.
So, how was your day, son?
It was good. We had a surprise quiz in math, but I think I did okay.
That's great. I'm proud of you for staying on top of your studies. What else happened?
After school, I played soccer with my friends. We had a fun match.
That's nice. Sports keep you active. Did you remember to do your homework?
Yeah, I finished it before playing.
Good. That's responsible of you.
Dad, can I ask you something?
Of course. What's on your mind?
How did you choose your career? I mean, how did you know what you wanted to do?
That's a great question. Honestly, I explored different things, and over time, I found what I enjoyed and what I was good at. It's okay to take time figuring it out.
That makes sense. I still don't know what I want to be.
That's completely fine. You're still young. Just keep learning, trying new things, and one day you'll find something that excites you.
Thanks, Dad. That helps a lot.
Anytime, son. Now, let's get ready for bed. Tomorrow is another day to learn and grow.
Good night, Dad.
Good night, son. Sweet dreams.
The next morning, during breakfast.
Good morning, son. Ready for another day?
Good morning, Dad. Yeah, I guess. But I'm feeling a little tired today.
Late night gaming?
Maybe a little, but I finished all my work first.
That's good, but you also need proper sleep. Your body and mind need rest.
I know. I'll sleep earlier tonight.
That's the spirit. So, any interesting plans at school today?
Yeah, we have a science project presentation. I'm a little nervous.
You've prepared well, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Then trust yourself. Confidence comes from knowing you've done your best. Just speak clearly and don't rush.
Okay, I'll try. Thanks, Dad.
You got this. Now, eat up before your food gets cold.
All right. By the way, will you be home early today?
I'll try. Why?
I wanted to show you something cool I learned in coding class.
That sounds exciting. I'll make sure to be home early.
Awesome. See you later, Dad.
Have a great day, son.